Don's the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And there's Mimi over there. She's happy as a clam. We just got back from our walk. Miles is at school. And this is Samlip hi-myon spicy Katsuo Udon today. Yeah, it's South Korean, it's udon, it's in the mood to be made, so that's what I'm doing. Ugh. Alright, so let's get this show on the road. We've got noodle, udon noodle, which is thicker. Sometimes you'll find it like an instant noodle. This is the way I prefer it though. This is more of a fresh noodle and they're shelf stable. Sometimes you'll find this exact same style in the cold section. Or not. It really doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be refrigerated, but a lot of places will do it just because I guess they like to take up valuable freezer space, but you know, whatever. I think also, because it's cold, people think, oh, that's fresh. But it's fresh, but it's not like, oh, if you leave this out, it's going to go bad kind of fresh. So. And generally, it's pretty cheap. This one came from, what do you call it? H-Mart up in Richmond, BC at Aberdeen Center. So if you go up to BC and you've never been to Richmond, you're losing your mind now, because I've got to tell you, if you don't go there, you're a fool if you want to get like any Asian food or Asian products, because that's where the largest Asian population in North America is, smack dab right there. So if you want happiness and fun, go to Richmond. It's where it's at. Okay, so we got a couple minutes. So yeah, we went on a really, really long walk. Usually I head, well, what direction is that? East. And my daughter and I go and push her stroller. Yeah. Here, let's get you on. There she is. We go usually about almost 6 miles, 5.9 miles. Today we went down the opposite direction on 522 west, and then you cross, and then you go this thing called the Burt Gilman Trail, and it goes way far, all over the place. And we went past Lake Forest Park. And we kept going, and we almost made it to Lake City, but I was like, I don't even know how far I've gone or what, and I just felt like I have a feeling I've gone too far. I've just gone too far. I don't know, it's weird when I start walking and I'm walking really fast, and that's the nice thing about that trail too. There's nothing in the way. There's like barely any stops. You can just fly. You got people that ride bikes down that trail too, super fast. But what's nice too, everybody kind of obeys the, okay, right hand side is going this way, left hand side is going this way, so. But yeah, we got pretty darn far, and I was like, yeah, probably should turn back. So we did, and we got back here way later than normal and did over almost 8 miles this time. It was nice. Some jerk honked at us and yelled out the window of his big stupid truck. He's like, eat your yum-yums. You'll have some noodles momentarily. Miriam's gonna enjoy some udon today. You don't want them? You asked for them. Okay. So, yeah. Anyways, some some, I will use the term, piece of crap. I think that's fair to say. Yeah, he was a piece of crap. He like honks or yells like, "Get out of the street! You're gonna get hit!" We were on the frickin' curb. I'm legally blind here, dude. Check your blind spot in your brain. I don't know. Oh no, you're good, Mimi. You're good. So here we are. Here's the broth. It's got that nice kind of little bit of bonito sweetness. The katsuo, whatever. Thick, floppy udon. That's really good. I could go for a bowl of this. I like this udon too because it's wide and slightly flat. It's definitely not like most of them that are just, yeah, they're all like round. These are good. As far as regular udon in a bowl like that kind of deal we're looking at here, I like this one. This one's good. So if you find it, enjoy it with my blessing. Okay, so what are we gonna put on here, Mimi? We are not putting Caillou and Rosie on the udon, but you can enjoy watching that program as you do. Oh, man, I got a bone to pick with whoever's supplying our local Safeway store with produce. Man, somebody needs to hit them up the side of the head because they'll just like give them such crappy produce. Oh wow. This is like the thickest cut barbecue pork I've seen from there yet too. It's ridiculous. I mean, look at that. That's freaking huge. God. We'll go with that. That sound good? Is that gonna work, Mimi? Is that good? Yeah? Okay. I take your silence as approval. And I've got some bits of tempura. A little bit of that. And since it's a spicy one, we'll add some of this here chili flake. How we're looking. No, I think I can get with that. I think that looks all right. Let's see, we go. All right, let's rotate with Rotato and go. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah. And there's Mimi. Say hi, Mimi. Alright, well, hey, this has been Hans, and this has been Mimi. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one.